Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Natasha from Industrial Engineering. Today, I'm going to present a project about shelf management in service maintenance. My main point is shelf management could increase optimization of working. Okay, today I'm going to cover three areas. First, I'll talk about the goal of this project. Then, I will talk about the procedure of this project. And finally, I will finish my presentation with the outcome. In this case study, the company in this case study is Chiang Mai Honda Automobile. From inspection, I see the problem in shelf management. This problem caused one, worker can slowly find the spare parts on the shelf, and second, there are 37.5% of spare parts that cannot be on the shelf, which means there are no space for them. Let's talk about the goal of this project. First, to keep more spare parts on the shelf. Second, the shelf organization can increase optimization of working. And third, to increase profit for company. Let's move on to the procedure of this project. First, collecting the data before we reorganize the shelf. Second, data analysis. Analyze about the problem, how to solve and how to make it better. Third, using ABCFSN theory and choose the one that in AF group for the prediction theory. I will explain more about this theory. ABC theory. ABC theory is dividing goods into prices, importance, and how many of it. For group A, there are 40 to 50%, and the prices are 70 to 80% of all raw materials price. For group B, there are 30 to 40%, and the prices is 15 to 20% of all raw material price. And group C, there are 10 to 20% and 5 to 10% of all raw material prices. For FSN theory, F is fast current goods, S is slow current goods, and N is no current goods. Fourth, compare the data. Fifth, we're gonna manage the shelf managed by using shelf management theory. And sixth, calculate the proficiency value and compare the time in finding spare parts on the shelf with before we reorganize the shelf. Let's move on to the outcome of this project. One, the outcome come as expected. One, the optimization of working is increasing after we reorganize the shelf. Two, there are more spare parts that can be on the shelf. And three, the profit increasing about 8%. In conclusion, my main point was that shelf management could increase optimization of working. I talked about the aim of this project, the procedure of this project, and the outcome of this project. That's all the time I have for today. Thank you for your attention. Are there any questions or comments? Yes, please.
Could you explain more about prediction theory?
Of course, yes. Prediction theory is a future prediction. We're gonna use this for planning process. And I use quantitative prediction, which is to use the latest data and dividing into 4 groups, which are average methods, exponential methods, Winters method, and decomposition methods. Are there any questions?
What is the most difficult part in doing the shelf management in your point of view?
in my point of view, the most difficult thing is when we going into the company and we're gonna making a survey which will not